Hey, what's up everybody? So today we got a little something different. I am over at my friend's place over here at Bull Run 4x4, and we are going to do an upgrade on the suspension for the van. So while we have the van Compass on there, one of the things we found, and I'm going to show some video here in a sec, cut in, is Mercedes really had a flaw in the design in all reality. The rear suspension, the top bolt is a single bolt right into the frame into a captured nut. So that's holding all of the weight on those rear shocks. So even though I have the van Compass suspension on there, I had the problem with it. I found out when I was up in Maine, it actually had sheared loose and just sheared that bolt completely. So now we are going to go ahead and put on the van Compass Baja mounts. So I'm doing the top one for the Baja mount, and we'll show you as the guys get on. It actually goes into a frame and gives you better connection points. And I'll get some video of it with the wheels off as soon as we get it on. And then also the Baja Sur, which there's two versions of the Sur. There is one that's a little more heavy duty, and we're just going with the baseline version. I'm not as worried about the super heavy duty on the rear, but does give some protection and really encapsulates the shock. So as it's done, I will come back and we'll show it to you. So you'll see some video here in a few. So as you can see, there's the single bolt into the frame. No real protection on the bottom, so a bolt on each end. Really, for a four-wheel drive vehicle, a lot of risk here. Nothing protecting the bottom of the shock, and then the single bolt into that capture nut in the frame. So that's the before. Okay, so we got them all installed. You see the van's back down on the ground here. You'll see some pictures here. Obviously I've done some before and after, and you're gonna see, I'll show you the after of what the brackets look like, but definitely beefier, and we'll see. Hopefully I don't have any reliability issues. So there you go. That is the change for today, to add in the Baja mounts, top and bottom.